Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about a hot exchanger called Hotbit. It's known to almost all of us who trade and deal with cryptocurrencies, and the Hotbit started their journey from 2017. From the beginning, it's gradually becoming the most popular to the trader, and you know that it's holding MTR, MSB and OSTRC license, so I don't think I have to say anything about their security and dependency. However, according to the market report, the trust score of Hotbit is 7 out of 10, but I believe the number will soon be 10.
Yeah.
Now I'll show you how to sign up on Hotbit. You will get a link in the description box of this video, and you can easily access the register page by this link, or you can search in your browser with the keywords Hotbit. In the sign up page you will get two options to register. One is with email and other one is with your mobile number. So in the first section you have to put in your email and click on send. Then you will get a OTP or one-time password to verify your email, and last simply put your password. And in the second section you have to select your country code first, then put your mobile number and do the same as the first, verify your mobile number and set the password. And in the both section you will get an option to enter a invitation code, and I have included a code in the description. You can use this code and then pass the CAPTCHA and complete registration. That's all about the sign up. Then you will see how to log in. After registration you will see the login option in the same page. Here have to enter your email and password, and as usual pass a simple CAPTCHA. All done. Now you can trade in this hot exchanger without KYC. Yes, without KYC you can get all the advantages of Hotbit, but for your security I like to say please set up Google authentication. That's all. Now we're going to know about Hotbit's special features. So it's the web version of Hotbit. How beautifully designed it. I'm going to introduce you the functions. So here we'll see some tabs at the top like markets, exchange, ETF, perpetual, etc. You will also find the register option at the top, and you can change the language from this option. Then the listing time and events magazine here, and at the middle of the main page is decorated by some shortcuts of their investment spot rate, and most interesting part of Hotbit, the ETF section. And at the bottom you can see Hotbit's partners and some other important links like fact page, community contact, etc. So now come to the point. I am going to share some details of Hotbit exchange. At first we can go to spot trading section. So here you will see a real time price graph of a coin, and here you can buy sell your tokens as the market price. Here you are seeing a search bar, and it's very helpful to find trading pairs, and you can also make a favorite list with your favorite pairs. For this click on the star option, and for remove click that again. Now come to the investment section. So basically investment section is like bank deposit to me. It offers you a certain percentage in year, which is called API or annual percentage yield. So I like to introduce it from here. There is many token you see, and here showed the interest rates of this token. Once again I am making it easier for you, and for that click on details of any token. Here you will get all of detailed information on this product. Let's see this term, and it's the calculation rules of these tokens, and in this part you will get the main algorithm of your income. Simply if you invest 10 FIL, your income is 0.041 FIL token, and this will be transferred to your account in 24 hours after redemption. Now I like to go a popular section, ETF. So mainly ETF is a product that uses financial derivatives and debt to amplify the returns of an underlying token. It often aims for a 2:1 or 3:1 ratio. For example, if the underlying tokens rises 1%, the corresponding 2x or 3x leverage ETF rises 2% and 3% respectively. These are essentially a fund managed by a professional financial team. Simply, if you buy a token and if its underlying token rises of its 1%, your product will rise of its 2% or 3%. And here is your main income. You will get more information about ETF in my description. Now come to an interesting part of Hotbit that I like most, the minimum trade volume. Many of us will try it first, and that's why they want to trade with a small amount first, and it's allowed in Hotbit and only Hotbit. As example, I want to buy a DeFi token with this small amount. Will it be possible? Yes, I think so. Here you see that the order is complete. So it's all about this hot exchanger. I have included 2 blogs about ETF and investment product of Hotbit, where you will get more information about this. I think this video will help you all, so please share and like this video, and please comment for any queries. Thank you so much.